All right, base and perimeter is marked. Let's start the grade right here.
Roger that. Excavator, you are clear to proceed with the initial lift.
Level looks good here. Maintain current depth for the foundation area. Base and depth confirmed. Continue swinging the load clear.
Easy back, easy back.
Right there, that's the spot.
Okay, initiate dump.
Bring the bucket up 5 degrees. We are almost hitting the required grade.
Bring the blade down just a touch. Copy. Maintaining grade at the marker.
Alignment confirmed on the previous block. Proceed to the next section. Maintain gentle pressure.
Keep the flow steady. We need it centered in the basin. Depth looks good on this side. Over.
Maintain current elevation. We have achieved target depth on this pass. Continue the smooth drag forward.
Keep the grade consistent on the approach to the harbor. We need that slope exact before the next pass.
A little more to the left on that joint. Make sure it's flush.
Got it. Securing the clamp now. Okay, bringing it up slowly, watching the alignment on the north side. Steady, steady.
Confirmation on the dock. Everything is secure and stable. Over.
Base, this is Diorama Team 1. Sealant application is proceeding on schedule. We are ensuring all edges are watertight before the pour.
Over.
Alignment confirmed at the junction. The dump truck has clearance. Proceeding to the harbor access point.
The grade is holding steady at 5%, ready for the final layer of gravel.
All crates secured. Manifest checks out. We are good to go.
Control, perimeter smoothing is complete. The alignment checks out perfectly. Requesting final inspection.
Shoreline reinforcement looks solid, and the dock placement matches the plans.
Access roads are fully compacted and ready.
Base, this is Team Lead. Inspection complete.